Hello guys, in this tutorial we'll tell you how to integrate donate feature in your app. The donate feature is a quick way for people to donate to your nonprofit organization and church, tithe and offerings with the mobile app. Let's get started now. Now let's add the page. On view all here and search donate. Click on the page to add it. Here's your donate page. Name. If you want, you can change it. From here you can change the page icon. If you want, you can select a solid outline icon or image from our library or upload your own custom icon image from this section. Now let's move to the content section now. Here you will see name of cause field. If you want, you can change its name. From here you can change the icon of this field. If you want, you can select icon from our library or upload your own custom icon. Now enter the page URL here. Click on Add More to add multiple fields. From here, you can delete the fields. Once you are done, click on Save and Continue to finish creating your app. That's all for now. Thank you for watching.